what did Nigeria law says about free education? A lot of people hold their opinion that Nigeria government need to provide free education. Where they fail to provide free education, they have the right to sue the government. But the true position is that based on our laws, specifically the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, provide guidelines for the government to ensure that the citizens have equal and adequate education, free education. But what people fail to understand is that where the government failed to provide those free education, you cannot do anything, because the entire section, chapter 2 of the 1999 Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria is non-judiciable rights. There are so many guidelines in chapter 2 of the 1999 Constitution which guide the government to ensure their policy towards the good governance. But where they fail to follow those guidelines, the citizens of Nigeria cannot do anything rather than to just merely criticizing. And if you want to criticize, it should be constructive one. You don't need to, run a cause to the government, abuse them, defame the government. If care is not taken, you will be charged with the defamation or even cyberbullying. So, if you want to ensure that you have this free education, the citizens are very serious about it. They need to elect a good leader who will ensure that they uphold the fundamental policy that is enshrined in chapter 2 of the 1999 Constitution. The only thing that the entire chapter that is so-called non-judiciable rights can be done or can be made compulsory towards government to ensure that those policies are made compulsory for the government is through the legislative body. Legislative body are given the power to make laws that they ensure they make education as compulsory to the government, to ensure that they provide that. But aside from that, you cannot use Section 18 of the 1999 Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria to challenge the government in the court. If you do, you will lose the battle and nothing you can do. So how do you do that? Ensure you elect a good leader. Ensure you vote for a good representative. Then they will do the right thing for us. But as far as we continue electing the bad leaders, there's no way changes will come, because the only thing they care about their pockets. So ensure you know these rights and be guided by the law. Follow us. We'll be providing legal tips on what to do as a citizen of this country. Thank you very much.